Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ahmed and today we are talking about something Gmail has been hiding from you for over 20 years. And honestly, I can't believe it took them this long. That email address you created back in secondary school, yeah, the embarrassing one, you are not supposed to be able to change it until now. And before I show you exactly how to do this under 60 seconds, I need to stop you from making the biggest mistake people are making right now. Because if you do this wrong, you're going to lose everything tied up to your Google account, and that would be a disaster. Here's what most people are doing wrong. They're creating a brand new Gmail account, manually copying over their contacts and spending weeks, sometimes months, going through every single app and service linked to their old address to update it. And the worst part, even if they do all of that, they still lose their Google Play Store purchase history, their Google Drive files, their Google Photos, and everything else that lives inside that Google account. All of it is gone. So please do not do that. There is a much better way, and it takes under 60 seconds flat. Google has officially rolled out a feature that lets you change your Gmail username. That's the part before the @gmail.com without deleting a single file. Your email stays, your drive stays, your entire Google account stays exactly as it is. You literally just get a new identity layered on top of everything else you already have. Now, I want to be upfront with you. Not everyone has this yet. Google is rolling this out in stages, so here's how you can check if your account is ready. Open Gmail or the Google app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Manage your Google account. Then tap Personal Information. Scroll down to the Email section, tap on it, and look for a line that says Google Account Email. If there's a clickable arrow sitting right next to it, congratulations, you've got the feature. If there's no arrow, just check back in a few days because it's coming soon. Also, one important thing, this feature only works for personal Gmail accounts, meaning addresses that ends in @gmail.com. If your account is managed by a company or a school through Google Workspace, this option is simply not going to appear for you. That is Google's hard rule, not a bug, so don't spend time troubleshooting it. Now here is the part I really need you to pay attention to, because this is where people mess up badly. Once you change your Gmail address, Google locks it. You cannot make another new change for a full 12 months. That is a hard lock with no exceptions. So, do not rush this. Before you tap a single button, sit down and think carefully about the name you want. Choose something you are completely happy with because you're going to be living with it for at least a year. And before you change anything, write down the key services connected to your old address, your bank, your streaming accounts, your shopping apps, etc. You don't need to update all of them immediately, and here's why. This is the part that most tutorials are completely wrong, and it's honestly the most important thing I'll tell you today. When you change your Gmail address, your old one does not get deleted. Gmail automatically converts it into what's called an alternate email. That means any message or email sent to your old address still lands in your exact same inbox. You can still sign into Google using your old address. Every single app and service already linked to your old Gmail will be still working fine. Nothing will break. You are not abandoning anything. You are simply upgrading your identity while keeping the old one as a safety net running quietly in the background. So to actually make the change, click the Change Google Account Email button. Once you land on that page, scroll down, type in your new username and hit Change Email. But for me, I'm happy with mine. Done. Under 60 seconds, just like I promised. After the change, go back to your personal info page and you will see two addresses listed. Your new one marked as primary and the old one will be listed as alternate. Both are active. Trust me, I have done it. That's why I know it. Both delivered to the exact same inbox. And if you ever change your mind, Google actually lets you to revert to the previous email address at any time. The 12-month restriction only applies to switching to a completely new address, not going back to the old one. And that right there is Gmail's biggest update in 20 years. Now you know exactly how to use it before most people even realize it exists. Speaking of hidden things Google is doing on your devices, in my last video, I broke down how Google cleverly tracks your phone through tools secretly installed by developers. And if you haven't seen that video yet, you absolutely need to. It ties directly into everything we talked about today around Google accounts and your privacy. So go ahead and check that video out right now after you have done watching this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you there.